In this video, I will just work two examples of using the FOIL rule. So FOIL is not really tin foil, okay? It's just remember to perform operation 4 times, basically. First, so this is first, this is outer terms, then this one is inner, like this guy, and then this is last. Okay, so let's take first x plus 8 times x plus 5. Okay, so we're gonna take first. So first term of the first and first term of the second. Let's use different colors. Okay, so let's go like that first. All right, so what will happen? So remember when the variables is just by itself, it's really power 1. So I'm gonna put that in there. So that's power 1, this is power 1, right? And I know that I'm supposed to be adding these powers. So when I do that, I will get 1 plus 1, that's a 2. Okay, that's first. Next, we're gonna do outer. So that would be these two. Okay, so this is x to the power 1 and the 5. So plus, doesn't have to be a green plus, but plus, okay, so it's x times 5. Well, that's the same thing as 5x. We usually don't put number after the variable, we put number before the variable. Okay, then we do inner. Okay, so these are inner, which is 8 times x to the power 1, but that's just 8x. Okay, and finally we do the last, right? So we're gonna have to do the last, and I'll do this various colors, whatever, rainbow color. Okay, 8 times 5, that's a what? 40, I believe. Okay. Now, the only thing you got to do here is to combine like terms, right? So terms that have the same power of x. And so what are the like terms? Well, I have the plus 5x and I have plus 8x. Those have the same variable next to them, right? So, doesn't want to change. So it's x squared. Then you have plus 5 plus 8. So remember, just ignore the variable. Just do operation like with numbers. What is plus 5 plus 8? Plus 13. Okay, so plus 13. And then put the same exact variable. Don't change it. And plus 40. Okay, so we're done with this example. Let's take a look at this one. Now, this one I am gonna rewrite first before I go and do anything else. And you know me again. First of all, every variable, if it's just the variable, no power, I'm gonna stick the power 1 in there. And if I see a subtraction, I'm gonna do add a negative. Okay, and then I'm multiplying that by y to the power 1, right? Again, there's no power, so I put power 1. Well, this one was addition, so I don't have to do anything there. And so I just add plus 7. All right, so let's get into first. We do first. Okay, first is first. Okay, so we're gonna go 2, right? And again, y to the power 1, y to the power 1. So we add the powers. We're gonna wind up with y to the power 2, right? Okay, next let's do outer. So that would be plus 2 times 7. Okay, that's 14. And y to the power 1 is just y. Okay, great. Then inner. So that would be, so I'm going to put plus for now, negative 6 and y. Well, that's just negative 6y. Okay, so nothing is going to happen with that. Then finally last. Okay, so how about this color? If you can call it color, I don't even know what that is. Negative 6 times 7. Well, I'm going to first of all put a plus. And negative 6 times 7 is negative 42. So use a calculator for that. Okay, so that's about it except like terms. Okay, so I've got plus 14y and plus negative 6y. So first, get rid of the actual operation, right? Get rid of y and just do 14 plus negative 6. Okay, so you can always do this. 14 plus negative 6. Okay, and tells you, okay, that's 8. That's great. Okay, so then that's going to be, so I have 2y squared plus, remember we're saying plus 8y. Now I have to remember that it's y, right? It's like 14 apples plus negative 6 apples. Somebody gave me 14 apples and took away 6. So I now have 8 left, right? Okay, but it's apples, not 8 nothing. It's 8 apples, so it's 8y. Okay, and then plus negative 42 could just be minus 42. And that's it. That's the answer.